The 21st century, the time of the global competition. Businesses are developing and become a part of the general international process. The number of enterprises focusing their trade operations in the international market is increasing. The important aspect of the organization is the carriages performed via seaports. The seaports is the key component for the implementation of international cargo carriages. Shipping routes and ground communications converge here, and through passages are connecting here, forming the complex system of transport links. Freight forwarding and cargo handling in ports is a complex process. The economic attractiveness, reliability, and responsiveness in decision-making that are important to your business depend upon the way this process is arranged and carried out. Well-organized transportations represent properly chosen, considered, and estimated logistics solutions. To select a supply chain means to tackle the complex and diversified problem what helps optimize your business logistics. We know how to solve such problems. We operate in Ukrainian merchant seaports distinguished by their advantageous location and vast geography of sea routes. We provide the delivery of goods with an exclusive dispatch and clearly defined costs. We have the excellent business reputation. We are the logistics company Metridat Odessa. We have to our credit the decade of the successful activity, the qualified team, and the knowledge of the specifics as to the seaport's functioning. Container carriages represent our particular area of specialty. In containers, we perform sea transportations of general, liquid, dangerous, oversized, refrigerated, and insulated cargoes. We offer smoothly running cooperation with container shipping lines, organization of cargo handling, making up of shipments, stuffing and unstuffing of containers, freight forwarding in ports, documentation support, trucking by the own road transport, arrangement of rail transportation, solve any logistical problems, cooperating with large industrial and commercial enterprises from Ukraine, Russia, Moldova, and from the other countries of the world. Start working with us, and you get a reliable and qualified partner to build up the long-term business relationship. We are always glad to you. Your sufficient logistics service, Metridat Odessa. If submitting the documents today, you will take the goods at your warehouse tomorrow.